For years I struggled with debilitating fatigue, joint pain and brain fog. It felt like my body was attacking itself from the inside out. I was later diagnosed with an autoimmune condition, and my search for answers led me down a winding path of dietary experimentation. I tried everything: low fat, high carb, vegetarian, you name it. But nothing seemed to work. Some diets even worsened my symptoms. It was beyond frustrating, and I felt lost in a maze of conflicting dietary advice. Then I stumbled upon the world of ancestral eating and the potential impact of food on autoimmune conditions. I began to eliminate processed foods, grains and legumes while focusing on whole, nutrient-dense ingredients. Slowly, my symptoms began to subside. My journey taught me a valuable lesson. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to diet, especially for those of us with autoimmune conditions. Our bodies are unique, and what works wonders for one person might trigger a flare-up in another. Our genes play a crucial role in determining how our bodies process food. Just like eye color and height, our genetic makeup influences our predisposition to certain health conditions and how our bodies metabolize different nutrients. For instance, variations in genes responsible for lactose digestion explain why some people can tolerate dairy products, while others experience bloating and discomfort. Similarly, genes involved in gluten metabolism can determine our susceptibility to celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. These genetic variations highlight the importance of personalized nutrition. What works for your friend or family member may not be the best approach for you. Understanding your unique genetic predispositions can provide valuable insights into tailoring a diet that supports your health. Our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, fungi, and viruses, collectively known as the gut microbiome. This complex ecosystem plays a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and overall health. Interestingly, the composition of our gut microbiome varies significantly from person to person, influenced by factors like genetics, diet, and environmental exposures. This microbial diversity further contributes to the individualized responses we see with different diets. For example, some individuals may have a gut microbiome that thrives on plant-based diets, efficiently breaking down fiber and producing beneficial compounds. Conversely, others might have a microbiome that's better suited for digesting animal protein and fats, making a low-carb diet more suitable. Beyond the surface, unmasking food sensitivities. Food sensitivities, unlike allergies, involve a delayed immune response and can manifest as a wide range of symptoms, including digestive issues, fatigue, brain fog, and skin problems. Identifying and eliminating these trigger foods is often crucial for managing autoimmune conditions and optimizing overall health. Common culprits include gluten, dairy, soy, eggs, and nightshades. However, sensitivities can vary greatly, and it's essential to listen to your body and pay attention to how it responds to different foods. Keeping a food journal and noting any symptoms you experience after eating certain foods can be incredibly helpful in pinpointing potential sensitivities. Elimination diets, where suspect foods are removed and then reintroduced one by one, can also provide valuable insights. Low-carb versus plant-based, two sides of the same coin. Low-carb diets like the ketogenic diet have gained immense popularity for their potential benefits in weight management, blood sugar control, and even managing certain neurological conditions. By restricting carbohydrates, the body enters a metabolic state called ketosis, using fat for fuel instead of glucose. On the other hand, plant-based diets emphasize fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains while limiting or eliminating animal products. These diets are often lauded for their high fiber content, antioxidant properties, and potential to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. While seemingly contradictory, both low-carb and plant-based approaches can be beneficial for different individuals. Those with insulin resistance or metabolic disorders might thrive on a low-carb diet, while others with autoimmune conditions may find relief by adopting a plant-based approach. Ultimately, the key lies in finding what works best for your unique needs and preferences. Finding your perfect plate, a personalized approach to diet. Navigating the world of nutrition can feel overwhelming, especially with the abundance of conflicting information available. However, discovering the optimal diet for you doesn't have to be a daunting task. Start with the basics. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Keeping a food journal can be incredibly helpful in identifying potential triggers. Consider working with a healthcare professional. A registered dietitian or nutritionist can provide personalized guidance and help create a meal plan tailored to your needs. Don't be afraid to experiment. Finding your perfect diet is often a journey of trial and error. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to nutrition. Your ideal diet is as unique as you are. By listening to your body, experimenting, and seeking professional guidance, you can discover the dietary approach that helps you thrive.